Welcome to our HRMS application, a complete human resource management system that simplifies your HR operations. Let's begin with the login screen. Users sign in using their registered email and password, and access is based on their assigned role. Once verified, they are taken directly to the dashboard. This is the main dashboard, your single window into the entire organization. At the top, you can see the key summary cards showing total employees, today's attendance, pending leave requests, and upcoming events at a glance. The charts below give a quick visual breakdown of workforce trends, so managers can spot patterns without digging through reports. The navigation panel on the left gives one-click access to every module, employees, attendance, leave, payroll, and reports. Now, let's move on to the configuration module. Every module in the HRMS is fully parameterized, allowing you to configure policies and business rules based on your organization's requirements. Here, you can see the leave policy configuration, where parameters such as maximum leave limits, the number of application attempts, leave encashment, carry forward, and other policy rules can Next is the grade or designation configuration, where you can define earning components, calculation methods, deductions, applicable leave types, claim eligibility, and other grade-specific settings. Same way, the role management screen allows you to create different user roles and assign menu access, permissions, and other role-based rights. Like this, settings can be defined module-wise, including leave policies, claim policies, salary components, deductions, income tax, and more. Now let's open the employee module. Here you can see the complete employee directory with details such as employee ID, name, department, designation, and status, all in one organized view. You can search, filter, and sort the list to find any employee within seconds. Adding a new employee is just as simple. Click on Add Employee, fill in the personal details, job information, and contact details, and save. The system automatically creates the employee profile ready for attendance, leave, and payroll processing. Clicking on any employee opens their full profile, where HR can view or update records at any time. Next is the employee level salary and other settings. System will default the designation level settings. Here you can view and change earning components, calculation methods, deductions, applicable leave types, claim eligibility, and other employee-specific settings. Now let's look at leave management. Employees can apply for leave in just a few clicks. Select the leave type, choose the dates, add a reason, and submit. The system instantly shows their available leave balance, so there's no confusion about entitlement. Next, we move to the attendance module. This screen displays the daily attendance of all employees, who is checked in, who is on leave, and who is absent. Employees can mark their attendance directly, and the system records the check-in and check-out times automatically. Managers can switch to the monthly view to review attendance history for any employee, making it easy to track punctuality and working hours. All of this data flows directly into payroll, so there is no manual reconciliation needed at the end of the month. Similarly, the HRMS includes many other modules such as permissions, claims, employee transfers, loans and advances, income tax proofs, help desk, and more. Together, these modules provide end-to-end HR operations with configurable workflows and multi-level approval processes. On the manager's side, all pending requests appear in one place. With a single click, a request can be approved or rejected, and the employee is notified immediately. The leave calendar gives the team a clear picture of who is away and when, helping managers plan work without surprises. Moving on to one of the most powerful modules, payroll. The payroll screen brings together salary structure, attendance, and leave data to calculate each employee's pay accurately. Earnings, deductions, and net salary are computed automatically, eliminating manual errors. With one click, HR can process the payroll for the entire organization for the month. Individual payslips are generated instantly, and employees can view and download their payslips directly from their own login. What used to take days of manual work now takes just a few minutes. In addition to the core HR functions, the system offers several advanced features to support complete employee lifecycle management. The supplementary pay module allows you to process salary corrections, arrears, missed payments, or any additional earnings and deductions after the regular payroll has been processed, ensuring accurate and compliant salary payments. The promotion module enables HR teams to manage employee promotions by updating designations, grades, departments, reporting managers, and other employment details while maintaining a complete history of career progression. The increment module helps automate annual and performance-based salary revisions, ensuring all employee compensation changes are recorded and reflected accurately in payroll. The system also includes an incentive management module to define and process performance-based incentives, commissions, and special rewards. Additionally, the learning management and training modules help organizations plan training programs, nominate employees, track attendance, monitor course completion, evaluate training effectiveness, and maintain a comprehensive learning history for every employee. Finally, let's explore the reports section. The HRMS provides more than 70 ready-to-use reports across all major modules, including Employee Master, Attendance, Leave, Payroll, Claims, Loans and Advances, Income Tax, Transfers, Recruitment, Performance, Help Desk, and many more. Reports can be filtered by company, branch, department, designation, employee, or date range, enabling both detailed and summary level analysis. Every report can be exported to Excel or PDF for management reviews, audits, statutory compliance, and business decision making. The system also includes AI-powered analytics, providing intelligent dashboards, workforce insights, attendance and leave trends, payroll analysis, cost summaries, and other management reports to help leadership make faster, data-driven decisions. In the administration module, you can configure departments, designations, organizational hierarchy, leave policies, payroll rules, approval workflows, and user roles. This highly configurable approach ensures the HRMS adapts to your organization's policies and processes rather than requiring your business to change. With its comprehensive modules, configurable workflows, powerful reporting, and AI-driven insights, our HRMS delivers a complete end-to-end solution for managing your entire employee lifecycle efficiently. And that completes our tour of the HRMS application. From onboarding to attendance, leave, and payroll, everything your HR team needs is now on one simple, secure platform. Save time, reduce errors, and give your employees a smoother experience. Thank you for watching. We look forward to helping your organization manage its people better.